Paano ito ba nga din ginot?
Why is George looking so sad?
George, can I play with Mau ko.
Paano pinggan mo karon?
Mau.
Paano pinggan mo? Ito ka lang sa may ano, kung nung kao, no? Kaano ka nga noon? Be, ako mukha. Be? Be, ako mukha.
George, rocket station, a house. Can you build it exactly like this, please?
Slowly lang, hindi pa kang pangay mo, anong...
Mr. Pig wants a house. Is it going to be built of straw, or sticks, or bricks, Mr. Pig? Good sir.
I-blow mo, anay. I-blow, anay.
Don't worry, Peppa. We won't. George wants to help too. Okay, George.
Ah? Hmm. Hmm. Nahaw. You know?
Hindi ko nasa kilala. Kung kilala ko.
Nakasa ko na? Nakuha sa?
Makatong lang.
Hmm?
Tulad naman ako.
Anong balya? Tutulaan mo man balaya?
Tulang ko man iya. Tulang mo man ako. Tumatay.
Hindi mo tutulaan balaya?
What?
Balaya.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ate, mga katanungan nyo, no comment na po ako dyan. Hindi ko ba sapat yung narinig nyo? Ulit-ulitin ko pa.
That all sounds very exciting. Now, close your eyes and go to sleep. Mamadet na pa ng isa.
Galit man.
Very good. But wait, it's not finished. What? You forgot us.
Hindi na magwa to.
Oh, no, we didn't.
Hindi lang ko, mama. Oo. Hindi ah.
No, it's already got new neighbors to
I-blow mo gani. Hmm.
Mr. Wolf and his family are moving into their new home. Oh, look. Little piggies. Thank you for building our house, Mr. Pig. What's it made of? Straw? Sticks? It's made of bricks. Let's see how strong it is. I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll... That is strong. What's your own house made of, Mr. Pig? Bricks. So don't even think about it. Mommy and Daddy Pig are wrapping up a present. No, Peppa. It's not for you or George.
No.
Sana na, dahil na. Hindi na ah. Hindi na na minute.
It's a present for grown-ups.
We bought this for Granny and Grandpa Pig. It's their wedding anniversary. A lot of money.
Oo.
Kilala yan man tigani.
Ano?
Ang babae.
Peppa and George have
Kilala mo na siguro.
Ano ba yan?
Basta di bar na pala tsura yun. Basta di bar na.
Ano? Dali mo na bigaw namin ito.
Kapag kaya kahit sa inyo na ang mga dawit, ang shampoo, mga oil, baka dawit, yung shampoo, sa mo na nabayagya, may amo. Ang nabayagya ka mga kaya, ang doon. Ang doon oil, yan, makamalitan ng mga oil. Hindi pala balagya, wala ako naman.
Nagsaya makali. Natira kagabi mga katraksyon. Ina natin. Namit.
Granny and Grandpa have all the teeth they need, though. Your Granny and Grandpa. Then why not get them a bucket and spade each? One, get one free.
They've already got spades and buckets and pots and everything.
Oh dear,
I know. Grandma likes swimming in the boat.
say no more. I have everything a sailor ever wished for.
You have pirate's treasure.
Everything except pirate's treasure.
Labog mo, nakastak ko na. Ako, ano pinaklat eh, kutiyay. Kamay mo ko sa bayo, kung hindi ni mayan sa manakang.
Ito na yung resulta ng nakakaedad na tayo.
Seryously.
High blood or high blood pressure.
Maintenance po.
Maintenance.
Okay lang sa bayo.
And this one,
Sa bayo sa mga.
ascorbic acid.
Kaya na.
Maintenance. Ah, hindi pala ito maintenance. Vitamins pala. Ang hirap maging vlogger. Lahat na lang kailangan mong i-video.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
Ginusto niya.
Gusto na. Guys, si Mrs. Yan yung kalagi kong kasama sa sa araw-araw na pagising sa umaga, siya yung nagluluto ng ulam natin. Si hi mga kataragsoy.
Uy, sana all.
Ikat ko man ng iban.
Yeah.